dummy.
No, shoot the person right there. Shoot him, baby, shoot him. Aim. I got him.
I'm dead. It's okay. Oh, sure, why am I not dead?
Oh, ballistic kid.
How do I move? Okay, that's that.
There you go. And remember, this is
To aim.
Yeah.
Oh, I got shot.
Panic fire.
She just started spraying. Come on, baby, you can move.
I don't know how.
There you go. This is to look around.
Oh, there's you.
UAV inbound.
See, look, you're getting it.
Hostiles have destroyed your UAV.
Hold X for... Oh. Did I kill? Oh, I killed him.
Good job.
Oh god. She'd be one hell of a camper.
She is.
I think I just killed one of our own teammates.
I am beating these bots up.
Why can't I move? I can't move. I'll say I couldn't move to the left. No.
Look how much kill confirms I keep getting.
I did something. Oh,
There's a bush in front of you.
Eric?
Yeah, baby, get him. Get him, baby, get him.
She just run right past her.
I died. It's okay. Okay. There's a skull.
Lightning strike awaiting coordinates.
How do you fly up in the air?
Eric, why can't I move?
I got you back, baby. Oh. Oh my god, just die.
There's a bush there. I can't even move.
I got you back, I'm trying to protect you.
It's okay, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
How am I shooting? What? How was I just shooting?
This.
I didn't touch anything.
It's a kill cam.
Shut up.
How long should I let this go?
However long.
Oh my
I'm
god.
dead. I'm
This
dead.
one, turn this. Remember, you gotta use it to turn this shit.
Oh, wait. I said this one. Turn. Oh.
There you go, baby.
Oh.
She knifed at the sky, but that's all good.
That dude, did I kill him?
You look like a freaking computer.
I'm dead. Can I die now? Can I be done?
No, come on. We're almost done. We're almost done.
Thank God. I shot her.
That's a mannequin.
I died.
No.
I told you I died. Bastard, that's not gonna
Kill confirmed. Come on, baby, you can do it.
I don't even...
There
Oh,
you
that's
go.
you.
Look,
Hi.
Or you can use this to... You get him.
She still don't use that.
Aim. Remember this one? She was... Right there, turn.
Oh, the bastard snuck up behind me.
I got him. I'll watch your back from now on. She jumped. Oh, it got me.
I just got murdered like so bad.
It's okay,
I
take it.
You
flew
guys are
up
in a
the air.
completely opposite.
Remember, you gotta use
house.
this. Get him, baby, get him.
Hey, it worked, didn't it? No. Oh, I'm race until the bathroom so I can find me.
Ah.
Remember, you can, when you aim.
Oh.
There you go.
Who are these guys? Can I kill them?
If their name is green, that's our team.
Well, it wasn't always green. There was 2 people.
Shot out.
I'm like protected.
Haha!
She used the scope correctly.
You got maybe that. Oh, look, she's doing it again. Oh, she
Except for
moved
she's using the body thing to move this scope.
Oh.
Can we just stop now?
Okay. At least you gave it a try.